Happy Monday! Papasok na ang atin yung ayan. I-insert ko lang tong vlog for na-upload ko today kasi baka wala dun sa mga clips na kasama for this vlog na about to upload. Baka wala dun yung shoutout ko. Magtampo si Lance. Hi Lance! Lance Gopez. Ayan. Pinsan siya ni Lisa. Magpinsan sila. Nakakatuwa yung mga batang to. Ayan. Ayan, today is Wednesday night. Ay, hindi ako nakakapag... Parang ayun na lang lagi ang aking sinasabi, hindi ako nakakapag vlog. Pero, just stick with us guys. Like what I've said nung previous ba? Nung isang vlog. When we get to the Philippines and Japan, we're gonna have more content because for now it's just gonna be the same thing, going to work, what we're eating, and yung diet namin dito mag-anak, it's just all the same thing every single day. I do not have that much time to cook, especially in the weekdays. Tapos ngayon that it's summer, I prefer not to cook kasi it's really making the entire apartment hot. But anyways, I just taking a shower, already ate dinner. Jeff is in the roof. I don't know if he's flying the drone or just taking some video, playing with his Osmo Mobile 2. Meron akong breakout dito, nakakainis. Dahil dito ko gumaling na. Ayun, pakita ko nga para sa inyo guys yung aking recent or ang aking super favorite as of the moment na Halo ice cream. Pakita ko sa inyo, sobrang sarap nito guys. So, syempre, hindi lang kami ang may ice cream, si IJ din. Ayaw niya ng Halo, kaya yan, binibilang ko siya nitong nung sa kanya. Yung flavor nung sa kanya is vanilla fudge twirl. And then this one, on the other hand, is somewhat a better option than the other or than the usual ice cream, just because for this pint it's only 360 calories. Ay nako guys, yan bumili ako ng ginataan para kay IJ, binabawasan ko kasi bumili ako ng sa akin, uubusin ko lang. Alam nyo naman, pauwi ng Pinas, diet. Ayan, marami na sobrang violet. Yan, bawasan ko lang ng konti. Kain. Ayan, nagtetest tayo gamit ko tong Osmo. Ito yung siya, bina-follow niya yung aking fest. I don't know if I forget something. We are gonna get some footages. We're heading to Brooklyn right now. Searching. There. Wait lang guys. Ang traffic guys, sobrang. Pero, tawag dito, hopefully we'll be there in like few minutes para... Ayan guys, nandito pa yung bookstore na sinasabi ko. Let's go. So, Jeff was saying when he used to wash dishes.
So I moved out of my house like a month before I turned 17. I dropped out of high school twice. And I supported myself washing dishes. I don't know how. It doesn't make sense to me now when I try to reflect on it, but I read this book when I was a dishwasher and used to talk physics while I was washing dishes.
Pretty crazy story, and let's not forget to show the vlog how cute his band-aid is. Hello Kitty band-aid, courtesy of the wifey.
Right.
Ayan guys, we're by the water. Ganda ng view. Happy Saturday! Tignan nyo. Nagbibuild kami ng cage ni Haku and Puka all the way out in this fire exit. Para, we're gonna put like bird feeds outside so they could see the birds. Ito yan. Binili namin sa Amazon. This is actually not a pet cage, but since it's very versatile, we could build up something that connects from our window to outside. Actually, nakuha ko yung idea niya sa Pinterest. Is your daddy the best daddy in the world? Hako? Hako? I know! See, nandiyan na siya guys. Do you like that? Ayun. Nagluto ulit akong sardinas na may bok choy. Kain. Feeling ko pa na pagkain na lang, no? Pero making muffin. So it's a vanilla muffin, but I added banana, so I guess it's vanilla banana muffin. Ita. Or cupcake. Ayan. So I used this almond flour mix. So it's somewhat healthy. Gusto niyo ba kung sino yung pinaka-chill na pusa ngayon? Hako. Hi. Do you like your spot? Do you like your spot? You do? Si Puka ayaw. Siya lang. Have fun, B. Have fun. Ayun na, tapos na. Nakakain na ako ng isang. Sarap, guys. Sobra. Tutulog si Hako. If you guys are wondering, you haven't seen me in the vlog for the whole day. Parang ano lang, panay food lang. Ayan. Wala naman kami ginawa, guys. Hindi nga kami nag-ano ngayon. Hindi kami nag-gym kasi Jeff is not feeling well. Tapos we were actually planning to go to the gym. So originally we were about to go like around 3, and then I pushed it to 4, and I pushed it to 5. So I was like telling him, like, you know what, let's not do it. I'm not even into it. So I just did the laundry, like clean a little bit, and then Jeff built that mini fire escape access to for Haku and Puka. But Puka, she just went, like, kind of half of her body was peeking out, but Haku loves it. So, alam niyo naman, mas shy kasi to si Puka kaysa kay Haku. Haku just loves people and loves hanging out, and she's not intimidated with any, you know, any foreign sounds or like any other people from outside, or like people that she doesn't know. So, ayun nga. Ayun lang yung aming naging project. Tapos I was able to cook too. As you guys saw, I was able to cook our breakfast, which is palit ako, which is pancakes. Tapos I was able to bake, and then lastly, see, I was able to make Filipino style spaghetti. You guys see that? Yan. So now, the reason why I'm dolled up, I have makeup on, and I'm wearing my, ito yung ano guys, yung nabili ko sa, what do you call this, outlet, yung Tommy na ano, na dress. Ano siya, parang baggy dress. Tapos, ayan, yung golden, ayan, kita nyo ba? Yung golden goose lang na sneakers ko. Ayan yung aking OOTD for today. The reason why I'm dolled up is we're heading out. We're hoping to get some footages again for the vlog. I'm really happy that Jeff is actually getting into it, like with videos and taking photos. So soon I'm gonna have good footages or good photos, especially when we go on vacation. So, ayun lang. IJ obviously doesn't want to go with us. Oh, hindi pala ako nakapag-vlog kahapon. Jean was here. And, upo nga ako nangyari yung aking kamay. Jean was here and her son. Ayun, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi wala naman kaming wala naman kaming ganap. Nagpunta lang kami dyan sa bar na malapit dito, yung Irish bar na malapit dito sa bahay. Tapos yun lang. Yung anak niya tsaka si IJ, they just hang out here at home. Tapos wala namang ganap. Siguro, dito pala sila mag-ina on the 29th until the day they leave. So, hanggang July 1 na yun. So, yun lang. So, hopefully, hindi yung masyado mainit kasi walang AC dito sa, sa sala. Nakakaawa nga lang. Sabi nga ni Jeff, buksan na lang namin yung mga pinto kapag dito sila natulog. Total weekend naman yun. So, ano ba? Ayun lang, guys. So, mamaya ulit, we're gonna head to Flushing, and then we're gonna head to that, it's not really a park. It's kind of a park, kind of in front of City Field. Kasi merong ano dun merong parang, it's by the water. Tapos, we're gonna see a lot of movements from the, you know, those yachts, by the water. Tapos, since it's right next to LaGuardia as well, we're gonna see a lot of, movements from planes. So, ayan. Tingnan Tingnan niyo kung saan ako dinala ni Jeff. Rikers Island.
I'm gonna bit Rikers Island.
Ano to? Diyan na yung jail dito sa sa New York. So it's actually an island segregated to the to the city. Diyan kinukulong yung mga mga preso. We're here. We actually got lost. Because it's kind of like tricky to come here because it's by the freeway, by the highway. So we took the wrong exit. Ayan, but ayan na si Jeff, nag-set up na siya. Kita nyo ba? Yan, gamit niya yung DJI Osmo. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, we are in World's Fair. Hold on, it's trying to Marina there. Ayan, kumakain kami. It's what time is it? It's like
What time is it?
11. Super late dinner and pad thai and then green curry and Sapporo. We had our app too, like that's a salmon tartar. We're really close to our house. Yeah, it wasn't that good. So yan, guys.